Getting started. I'm a big cheater because I love using 3D navigation to draw the lines before I even make the incision. So these lines are important, the way I orient the retractor. So these are way too far apart to make a single incision. So I'm going to make 2 incisions like this. Local anesthetic. Or I can make an incision like this. So I can go extensile. But not today. It's a magical. Can't see. J-Lo.
J-Lo? The what?
J-Lo.
Gonna get this out.
Just a smidge.
Okay, so Andrea?
So this will make just the blade move. This will make the whole retractor move back.
Can we,
Okay, so I'm down. Things are looking really good. I wish you're not seeing this, because then you'll be like, Dr. Kim is not any big deal. He uses navigation for everything. He's a total cheater. So now I'm going to surf down the end plate. I'm really anterior. Just the way I like it. Mallet. Thank you. Reverse slap hammer. Okay, I'm at the 4 or 5 level. This is always the hardest level. But then again, if it was easy, everybody could do it. Oh, look at that. That's going to be tight. Yes. Mallet. Straight up and down like a long time. Cannot stop. That's not bad. Started on the second half of surgery. I just made up that title all by myself. I think Globus has a facet fusion system actually, where you put a guide wire down or something, where you can just use the robot and it'll point you in that thing, and you just put a big fat round drill in it. I can't remember, but I'm creating a perfect starting point. Yes! Feeling around. Alrighty, you'll see from my Instagram post that we finally named this instrument that we've been calling the San Diego Hole Widener, which is a lame name, to Spike Tyson. It allows me to make the perfect pedicle tract. And look at this, it's cheating, it's just sucking in. It's like, look mommy, no hands. Oh, this was greedy, I like it. Oh, that's a good bite. Thank you. I'm just gonna take a nice gentle grip to this, nothing crazy, it still works. It's just like golf. It's like holding a bird. Not too hard, you must hold the bird well enough so it doesn't fly away, but not to crush it. Woo, these screws are going in beautifully. You have very good bone, so good job on your bone quality. Two holes here. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it, but you know what I'm thinking.
Straight bone.
All right, I'm about to put in the sexiest cage alive right here. When you see it go inside, it is amazing how much it expands. It's got soft corners. It's got a 3D printed surface. It's got a pretty blue color. And it's got a bulleted nose. And a few other things. And it's nice. And kind. And giving. And it cares about the environment. Oh, wait a minute. That's another topic. Oh, interbody erection time.
My favorite.
Now do the nadir shuffle.
Boom, bam, boom,
Like it.
boom, boom, bam, bam, boom, 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 boom.
Ooh!
Like Bobby.
Poppy likey long old time. Oh, it's just obscene. Just when you think you can't get any more, you're like, just a little bit more.
We do it. Ooh, you're greedy, man.
It's like just one kiss, okay? You see it?
Still moving.
Show enough is, and it feels pretty good right here. But greed be a powerful force. There it is.